Hello, Magnet parents. It is my pleasure to speak with you about the Rockdale Magnet Fund, the parent association for our school where we help to provide exposure, education, and experiences for every student at the Rockdale Magnet School. What is the Magnet Fund? The Rockdale Magnet Fund is the parent volunteer booster club for our school. The leadership, programs, social events, travel opportunities, and STEM-related activities of Rockdale Magnet are funded and supported through the Magnet Fund. The fund also covers the costs of advanced placement or AP exams when students take 3 or more tests in a school year. The school's success would not be possible without the generous support of our RMSST family, students, parents, faculty, and staff who are giving of their time. The $200 fee helps to jumpstart our fundraising efforts for the new school year to support many opportunities provided at Rockdale Magnet. The fee covers the following areas: textbooks used in AP Environmental Science or APES, calculus, and all other courses, printing fees, laboratory fees, and lab coats and goggles, all graduating cords for every graduate. We've also scheduled a class trip for each class that will be covered by the fund. The fund supports 100% of dues for all magnet clubs like Stuco, Peer Mentors, Women on the Way to Success, Sophisticated Men of Excellence, and all others. Travel opportunities for state, national, and international STEM events, and competitions including Georgia and National Association of Student Councils, National Science League, International Science and Engineering Fair. Social events including Monster Dash 5K Run, the annual Fall Ball, year-end celebrations for each class, spring picnic, and kickball tournament. The fund gives scholarships to deserving seniors each year for Best All-Around and Best Essay. Bulldog scholarships and other alumni scholarships are administered by the fund. Our new greenhouse, learning commons, and college room furnishings were also provided by the fund. Please stop by and take a look at each of them. Contactless annual dues may be paid on our website at www.rockdalemagnetfund.com by debit or credit cards, Cash App, or Venmo mobile apps. As the name implies, fundraising for our school is the primary aim for the Rockdale Magnet Fund. We operate on a budget in excess of $150,000 yearly, and the funds are generated by 3 sources: parent fees, fundraisers, and sponsorships and donations. Each of these sources are equally important to our yearly budget. As our fundraising efforts, we are our ongoing year-long fundraiser with Amazon Smile. For those of you who are consistent patrons of Amazon, you may make your orders from Amazon benefit the Magnet School by logging into smile.amazon.com and choosing Rockdale Magnet Fund as your beneficiary charity. For each order, Amazon will donate 0.5% of the total to the fund. We will also be conducting a fundraiser this fall with Double Good popcorn sales. For those of you who raise $600 or more during the fundraiser, your dues for the year will be credited. The fund also has an active and aggressive effort seeking out donations and sponsorships from our local business community during our Monster Dash 5K and our annual fund drive. We are looking to expand that effort. If your company provides sponsorships or matching donations, please contact us and sign up to assist in our fundraising efforts. We urge each of you to get involved in the Rockdale Magnet Fund. We have monthly meetings, generally on the first Tuesday evening of each month. The meeting provides an opportunity for each of you to become involved in the workings of the fund and to provide your input to support your child's areas of interest. Please know that every dollar raised by the Rockdale Magnet Fund is used to enhance the exposure, education, and experiences of all our students at the Rockdale Magnet School. We are constantly looking for ways to ensure that the fund benefits every student and their interests. Our past couple of years, we have budgeted support for a number of new clubs and activities, including Magnet Inc. Entrepreneurs Club, Asian American Pacific Islander Student Union, and the Green Team Environmental Science Club, as well as others. One great example is our new esports club, the Lodestones. This brand new club was created in 2020. They participated in and won the National Championship Tournament of Online Gaming in their first year of existence. Please join us in working for the fund because every child matters and every voice counts. Volunteering is the key to the success of the Rockdale Magnet Fund. We have 7 standing committees to choose from. Fundraising Committee works on all fundraising efforts throughout the year. Monster Dash Committee coordinates our 5K run in October. Poinsettia Sale Committee conducts our holiday poinsettia sale. Communications Committee develops our social media, print, and website communication strategy. Hospitality Committee performs luncheon or breakfast appreciation events for our faculty and staff throughout the year. Family Engagement Committee works on activities and events to connect our families, such as movie night and our year-end spring picnic and kickball tournament. Chick-fil-A Committee coordinates with our local Chick-fil-A restaurant to provide breakfast biscuits twice a month. We need you to make this a successful year. Please fill out and return the form inside your packet to volunteer for one of our committees and to join our contact list. Also, join us on social media at Rockdale Magnet Fund on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to receive communications from the fund. Welcome back, and we're looking forward to a terrific year.